Let's see. Okay. There's the kitty thing. They got the little waterfalls over there, see? Yep. Yep. And then here we are back to Melrose, I think. The kids are way out there, see? When they wrap it up, we're going to head for the car. Okay. Well, this is about the end of summer for us. We're going to try to get back here one more time. Because we got, well, it'll just be nice. Cause it's a full day. Everything they can do here. Makes it nice. Parents can chill. They just run loose, have a ball. Everybody's been behaving. No bad problems. No fighting.